I'm from Indonesia.
I and my colleague from in Russia.
I come from Ukraine.
I come from Romania.
I'm from Poland.
I've come from Pakistan.
My specialty is in education, early childhood and literacy, and teaching English as a second language. I think this conference has been, so far it's going great. A lot of networking has been done and research opportunities have come up. I think it's a very useful conference.
My specialty is law, specifically in business law. I think this conference is very nice event because of this event I can meet all of the wonderful person around the world. This organization, OSRIN, I think it's good organization because they have a mission to make a wonderful event, academic event such as like this event. I think it is great event.
Well, originally I'm a tutor of English. I teach different ages. Well, this conference unites all the nationalities and all the professors and all the people who want to improve their knowledge of English and studying and teaching. So it's very good. I think so. It's very good.
I'm here to attend Adved Social Sciences Conference, and I would like to share my views that I'm really enjoying and learning a lot from this conference. I happen to meet lots of diversities, people from different countries, regions, ethnicities, and I must say that it's a great learning experience. I think it is a very good organization because it has actually made us to meet different people, know about them, as well as learn what is happening in the world, what kind of research is being done, and what can we do in our home when we go back to our universities, what other researches we can do.
I work at the University of Medicine and Pharmacy and then the Clinical Emergency Hospital in Bucharest. I am delighted that there is a conference with this theme, and I think it is very well organized, and it is very useful for all the people involved in educational providing.
I'm a physics teacher trainer. I'm physics didactics field. This is a very unique opportunity to meet people from all over the world, sharing the same passion and having so much enthusiasm I didn't even expect.
I am a visual artist and educator. I think it's a great conference. I've usually attended conferences in the United States, and this is the first one I'm attending in Europe. And there are so many people from Indonesia, Malaysia, Iran, South Africa, Romania, and of course Turkey, Pakistan, and Pakistan. I think it's a great experience getting to know all kinds of people from different parts of the world in a social sciences and education conference particularly. I think it's very enriching and very, very exciting. The organization of the event is fantastic. Everything's so well planned, so we don't have any problem at all, and we're really, really enjoying. Thank you.